Today is April 4th, 2014. It's Friday. So our 10 chicks finally starting to really venture out. All our hens are pretty okay with it, so it's good. They're coming out of the little chick thing that I built. Mainly because I opened it. Now I got tons of free roam. Our hens are doing real good. Seem to be doing fine. Looking good. All of them are live. Did hear ladies love to dig around the base of the chicken coop and lay down in it. So I put dirt there, put a bunch of dirt, then I put some boards down so they couldn't get it. Right here, they were really digging down in here, so I put dirt there. And then Buster right there, the black dog, he dug a big old hole right there, so I put a bunch of dirt there, keep him from doing that. Did all around the outside of the chicken coop. So there's that. I got 13 of them. 13 hens right now getting the eggs. It's going pretty good. Definitely gonna have to clip the baby chick's wings. Especially the two white ones, kind of whitish ones, they love to fly. And that is not gonna work, so have to clip their wings, keep them from flying. So this is the current chicken house as of April 4th, 2014 at TNS Farms.